भाई लगता है आपको कहीं देखा है, सेम चेहरा आ रहा है।
यूट्यूब पे
नहीं रुको रुको, ये हो ना आप?
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online.
अरे वीडियो बनानी थी यार, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं की इसमें मैंने। चलो फिर से करते हैं।
ओके ओके
एक मिनट 1 2 3 गो
1 2 रुको आप वीडियो बनाएगा ना?
हाँ
ओके 1 2 3 गो।
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio.
Sorry. Next.
Hey bro, hi.
Yo,
You look like my small brother.
thank you. I'm 18.
18? My small brother also 18.
That shit.
You want to see?
Yeah. Yeah.
My small brother.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local.
What's your name?
Zamari.
Zamarik? From
Yeah.
today, my small brother's name is Zamarik.
I got broads in Atlanta. Just to lean.
Next.
My
Hey,
mom's
fuck.
dead, so
I
I
fuck.
don't know what you fucking a corpse or something, bro.
I fucked your mom, that's why I'm a fucker.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my
Next.
So hey girl, your boyfriend is not cute. I'm so cute, better than him.
Hey, that's not even my man for real.
I'm so cute. See? I have beard. Your boyfriend doesn't have beard. Like
not.
gay. Yeah.
गजब बेइज्जती है।
You just said you're like gay. You said you're gay because you don't have a beard.
He's like my dog.
नहीं।
Did you hear that? He said he's like my dog.
Yeah. What is his name?
What's your name? Yo, say your name.
Sorry, I can't hear. What's your name?
Anthony, and you?
Anthony? From today, I will keep my dog name Anthony. Hey, Anthony, come here. Where is Anthony? Anthony.